it's Doug again. Welcome to another home tour. We're out in Mission, BC at 33491 11 Avenue. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's on a 7,686 square foot lot. The inside interior is 3,069 square feet. It's listed at $1,399,000. The listing agent is Fayeen Grant at XB Realty, and her information is in the description below. And I have something special at the very end to show you that's going to help you get into this home. So let's go in and take a look. Well, here we are inside this beautiful home. It's 18 years old and it was just renovated last year. This foyer is absolutely stunning. I just love all the windows and light that's here, and particularly these 3x3 marble tiles that are on the floor in the foyer. It just feels so nice in here. There's a closet for your coats there. We have an office and a den over here, so if you're working from home, it's easy to have clients come in and out without going through your house. So let's go upstairs and take a look at the rest of the remodel. Coming upstairs here, I just love this glass railing that's all the way around with this polished chrome. Looks magnificent. This remodel was done a year ago and it's totally opened up this whole area, which is stunning, just really well done and put together. Over here we have our lounge space, a little bit of a vaulted ceiling. We're facing south. Nice little place here to sit, have some drinks, spend some time with your friends. We have this beautiful wide plank flooring throughout the main level. Looks fantastic. And right off the living space and the kitchen is this big dining space with its own balcony facing south. What I love is they've got this little niche here where you can put a buffet, have a bigger table, and of course open this up for a great cross breeze. And as you can see, the sun's already coming in, so it's a great little space to have dinner and close to the kitchen. So we come into this beautiful kitchen. I love this kitchen. The remodel before had a wall here, and this is just opened right up. There's so much counter space in here. It's a chef's dream. And speaking of a chef's dream, we have an induction cooktop here, and we have a downdraft vent. I had it up earlier, and there it goes down. Perfect little hidden space there. So there's no hood here. It's an awesome idea. Lots of counters, lots of drawers here. You have your microwave down here, and what I really love here is this. Your undermount outlets that you have. There's one here and one over there. Just hide them away, and there's lots of space here to have kids. If you have a large family, they can sit up here and eat while you cook. And then of course you have a large pantry that's sitting right here for all your goods. If you wanted to, you can put a breakfast table here, but having no table here is awesome. The spaces flow through right to the back deck, which we'll see a little bit later, but you can definitely sit up here and eat. Right on this side, you have this beautiful small mini subway tile that goes along here, nice gray color. You have your dishwasher right here and a Kraus deep black sink here. It's awesome. And then you have a water filtration as well. And then double ovens right up here. which is just beautiful if you're cooking a lot, which I myself love to cook. I love the dental mold, sorry, not dental molding, the molding they have above the kitchen cabinets here. The cabinets are beautiful white, the poles are beautiful. It was a well done renovation, looks fantastic. All right, just off the kitchen is a family area with the television mounted up above an electric fireplace. But what I love about this are these built-in shelves that are here and the millwork around this, creating the kind of mantle for the fireplace. You have extra drawers, cupboards on each side for game night or something. You also have a ceiling fan, and then this big picture window that faces off to the patio and the backyard. All right, well, let's go check out the bedrooms down here. One of the things I want to point out are these barn doors. These are double barn doors, and behind this is a linen closet. We have one bedroom right here, a nice large bedroom. The second bedroom is right in here, which is really nice, facing the backyard. You have your family bathroom right here. And what I love about the family bathroom is this countertop with the vessel sink. And then the shower surround is amazing with the waves and the tile. Large tile, looks beautiful. And then the glass slider for the tub surround, just perfect. Well, here's the primary bedroom, large primary bedroom. Right here, you have barn doors for the closet here. Big space for a king-size bed. You got windows on each side, which bring in a lot of natural light here. Windows right at the front, great space, and an ensuite bathroom over here. All right. The primary ensuite has this great barn door here. I love the fixtures on this in the black, it's awesome. Inside here, you have a nice countertop with a single sink, but there's dual taps. So one can shave and one can brush their teeth. There's a beautiful towel rack over here. You also have this beautiful claw tub that is sitting here right by the window just to relax. A corner shower, again with the same tile with the waves in it in the family bathroom. And then they have this beautiful white 2x2 marble flooring, just looks beautiful. Oh, you come out of the kitchen and the family room right to this covered deck. The canopy is a glass canopy, very substantial, covers the whole deck, nice wooden deck that they just put in. There's a lot of space for a dining area, a sitting area, and then you can go down right into the grass from here and into the garden. Perfect. This is a perfect place to entertain for sure. A lot of space, and then particularly this special little spot. Right down here, we have our hot tub. Right in the garden, surrounded by trees, very private location. All right, here's the special something I told you about. We have a 2-bedroom suite downstairs as a mortgage helper to help you get into this property. There's a bedroom right here. You have your closet and your entry. Over here, we have a family bathroom. There's another bedroom right here. You have access to laundry, shared laundry from upstairs right here. You come into this large living space. The ceiling height's great in here. I'd say it's a good size ceiling height. And then you have a nice size kitchen here with all the appliances, fridge, microwave, stove, dishwasher, and then lots of windows all the way around. You can put a table in here if you wanted to, but there's a lot of space down here as a mortgage helper. It's perfect to help get into this home. Well, that's the end of our tour today at this beautiful home. Again, if you want more information about the home, you can talk to the listing agent, Fayeen Grant, at XP Realty. Her information is listed down below. But one thing I got to tell you about this area that we're in Mission, BC, it's a gateway to recreation. We're close to Stave Lake, Hatzick Lake, the Hemlock Valley Ski Resort. You have the Fraser River for fishing and boating. Mission is a great place to be, and this is a great home to start with. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, 3,069 square feet with a mortgage helper. Perfect. So if you like this tour, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next tour.